Ready to manifest spiritual success and tap into your spiritual money bag and embracing the law of attraction for financial prosperity. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from Aware Multimedia. I create digital marketing content for spiritual entrepreneurs. If that's you, then download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. One of the most powerful ways to initiate your journey into abundance is by connecting with your inner self. Mindfulness and meditation are a fantastic tool for this. Take a few minutes each day to sit quietly, breathe deeply, and clear your mind. Allow yourself to tap into the infinite reservoir of the spiritual energy within you. Setting clear intentions is like setting a destination on your GPS. It provides focus and direction to your subconscious mind, leading you towards financial goals. Combine this with the art of visualization, and you will amplify your manifestation power. Imagine yourself already living this abundant lifestyle, and let the universe bring it to fruition. Your mindset has a significant impact on your ability to attract money. Embrace positivity and banish any self-limiting beliefs about wealth. For instance, I used to believe that money was scarce and difficult to come by. But as soon as I shifted my perspective and embraced abundance, new opportunities started knocking at my door. Gratitude is like magic in the realm of abundance. Expressing gratitude for what you already have opens doors to even more blessings to flow into your life. Make a daily gratitude list, acknowledging the abundance around you, and watch how the universe responds to you. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. Simply put, the energy that you emit into the world is the energy that will come back to you. So if you're constantly focusing on lack and scarcity, you'll keep attracting more of the same thing. By shifting your energy to abundance and prosperity, you'll magnetize wealth into your life. Money carries its own energy, and understanding its flow can significantly impact your ability to attract it. Remember that money isn't inherently good or evil. It's a tool that can be used for positive purposes. So align yourself and your thoughts towards the greater good, and the universe will respond by supporting your financial endeavors. Limiting beliefs act like roadblocks on your path to abundance. Take some time to do some introspection and identify any negative beliefs you may hold around money. Then work on releasing those negative beliefs through various practices like journaling, Reiki healing, affirmations, or seeking support from a coach, a healer, or a mentor. Alignment is the secret sauce that activates the law of attraction. Make sure that your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions are all in sync with your financial goals. If you desire wealth but fear taking risks, that misalignment may hinder your financial goals. So be bold and take inspired actions towards your dreams. Setting specific and achievable financial goals is essential for success. Break down your long-term goals into smaller and manageable milestones and celebrate each step as you progress. Visualization is a potent tool for manifestation. Create a vision board filled with images and affirmations that represent your financial dreams. Place it somewhere visible and let it serve as a daily reminder of the abundant future you're creating. Sitting idly won't make your dreams come true. Take inspired actions towards your goals and remain open to opportunities that present themselves. Remember, the universe rewards those who actively participate in their own journey. Patience is key on this journey to financial abundance. Trust that the universe has your back and that everything will unfold in divine time. Be patient with yourself too, as personal growth is an integral part of the process. Throughout history, various cultures have used money spells and rituals to attract wealth. While some people may be skeptical, remember that this practice taps into the power of intention and belief, which are the foundation of the law of attraction. When you're practicing money magic, always remember to set positive and ethical intentions. Align your intentions with the greater good and avoid harming others or manipulating situations solely for personal gain. Explore simple rituals like candle magic, abundance baths, or creating a prosperity altar. These practices can help you shift your energy towards prosperity and attract financial opportunities. Remember that spirituality and practicality are not mutually exclusive. Embrace both aspects to create a balanced and sustainable approach to attracting money. It's essential to take action in the physical world while connecting to your spiritual energy. Your entrepreneurial journey thrives on a prosperity mindset. So embrace the idea that abundance is unlimited and that your potential knows no bound. Now, fear and failure can hold you back from reaching your full potential. Embrace risk-taking as part of entrepreneurship. Remember, every successful entrepreneur faced challenges and took risks to get to where they are. The journey to wealth and abundance is not always a linear fashion. Embrace the ebb and flow, understanding that challenges provide opportunities for transformation. Self-doubt can be formidable obstacles. Remember that you are worthy of success and trust in your ability to overcome any challenges. Surround yourself with mentors, coaches, and supportive communities. Learning from others who have walked similar paths can provide invaluable insights and encouragement. Remember, this isn't a one-time process, but an ongoing journey. Embrace personal and spiritual growth as you continue to attract prosperity into your life. Share your success, knowledge, and wealth with others. And remember that true prosperity is found in helping others thrive with love and light and abundance. Download the ebook in the description box below to make sure you're not making the 5 mistakes spiritual businesses make online. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, comment, and consider subscribing to this channel. Remember to hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.